In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove that account lock from TikTok. So if you have a look at the username of my profile, you can see that there's a little lock icon next to my username. And basically what that means is your account is now private. So to remove this lock, all you need to do is go to your profile by tapping on the me icon at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on the three vertical dots at the top right. Then you want to tap on privacy underneath manage account at the top. And then the first option is private account. And as you can see, mine is on. So if I go ahead and toggle that down and then tap on confirm, and then I can go back to my profile, you can now see that the lock is now removed and my account is now back to public. So that is how you remove the account lock on TikTok to make your account public again. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.